This is Project Crossfire, the first ECD 90 in our signature range. Crossfire is painted in full gloss Mariana black with further black accents all round. Crossfire sits on 20-inch Cairn Mondale retro wheels with our BFG all-terrain tyres. This D90 also features a full front roll cage, tubular front bumper with worn winch, 2 Hella fog lamps mounted up front and a black steering guard. Crossfire features the Cairn wide body kit for a more aggressive stance. Inside, Crossfire features a Momo Quark black steering wheel with all-American gauges, 2 Corbeau Trailcat heated and ventilated front seats, and 2 benches in the load area. Each seat is wrapped in vertical diamond Garrett Berkshire black leather, stitched together in black. Crossfire is powered by our LT4 650 horsepower engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. Crossfire also benefits from our other signature elements, such as our Alpine Halo screen with Apple CarPlay, a Hertz Mille sound system, and a custom center console with access to charging points throughout. This is probably one of our most modern and aggressive looking D90s to date. The ECD signature pack really sets this apart from the crowd. We can't wait to see this truck pounding the streets and gracing the beaches.